بسم الله وعلى بركة الله.
In the name of Allah and upon the blessings of Allah.
So I have my oil heated up. All I'm going to do now, the first thing we do is we're going to chuck in our onions. Get it all in there, every single piece of the onion. At the same time, you're going to chuck in your ginger and garlic paste. Once that's in, you just want to give it a stir, mix it all up, and cook that for about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so that's been cooking for a few minutes now. The garlic and ginger is all melted in, as you can see. I've got the heat on a medium heat. I forgot to mention that. So now what we're going to do, we're just going to chuck in all the dry spices. We're just going to cook that in, mince it up, and cook that for about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so that's been cooking for a good 4 or 5 minutes now on a medium heat. Now what you're going to do is get your meat, chuck it in, and then get all them flavours. Get all of it mixed in, so it's completely covered. Once it's completely covered and mixed up, as you can see, you're going to turn the heat. Sorry about that. You're going to turn the heat all the way down, chuck the lid on, come back in 10 minutes. Okay, so that's been cooking for about 10 minutes. I'm just going to give it a stir, and then I'm going to just give it a good old stir. It's looking lovely. Now at this stage, all you want to do is stir it every 10 minutes. I'm not going to bore you with it and come back every 10 minutes. So you just want to cook it until it's tender, until it's nice and soft. About say half hour, 20 minutes before it would be fully cooked. I'll see you then. Okay, so mine's been cooking now for about 45 minutes. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add 4 cups of the 5 cups of water. Okay, so now we've added 4 cups of water. You're just going to give it a good old stir. You're going to let the water boil. Then you're going to turn the heat right back down. Put the lid on 10 minutes. While you're doing that, I'll show you how to do the rice. Right, so medium heat. Chuck the butter in. Let's get that butter melted. Okay. So once the butter's melted, chuck in the whole cumin seeds. And you want to just fry that for about 15-20 seconds. You're going to start hearing sizzling. Hopefully you can hear that. Boom. At that time, you want to just grab your rice, chuck it in. Get it all in there. Every single half grain. And then what you want to do, just mix it in with the, mix it all in. And what you're looking for, just a little bit of colour on the rice like that. Once it's like that, turn off the heat. So now that's been now cooking for a further 5-10 minutes while we done the rice. Now what we're going to do is dump in the last bit of water. That was hot. And then just chuck in the rice. Chuck in the rice. Then what you want to do, you want to give it a stir. Bring it back up to the boil. Okay, once you brought it back up to the boil, just give it one more stir. Make sure the rice is completely mixed in. Once you've done that, turn it on a very low, right back down to the minimum heat. Lid's back on. If I can do it. Let me just turn it around. Lid back on. I'm going to leave that for 10 minutes, and then I'll be back. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes now, and all I'm going to do is turn off the heat very slowly, and then that's it. I'm going to leave it for another 10 minutes, and I'll see you then. Okay, so it's been a further 10 minutes. Now all you're going to do is remove the lid as quick as you can. Simple as that. And there it is, the finished product. And there you have it, lamb biryani, made easy. Like I said, you can use chicken or whatever meat you want. No. Anyway, thank you for watching Moby's Kitchen. Over and out.